Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the exciting world of online side hustles and explore 10 proven ways to make money from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or become a full-time digital entrepreneur, these online side hustles can help you achieve your financial goals. So, let's get started. The first online side hustle on our list is freelance writing. If you have a knack for crafting compelling content, you can offer your writing services to individuals, businesses, or online platforms. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr provide great opportunities to connect with clients seeking high-quality content. Next up, we have virtual assistants. Many entrepreneurs and business owners are in need of remote administrative support. As a virtual assistant, you can help manage calendars, handle emails, perform research, and even provide social media management. Places like TaskRabbit, Zirtual, and Fancy Hands can connect you with potential clients. TaskRabbit, Zirtual, Fancy Hands. Moving on to the third side hustle, we have online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, you can share your knowledge and help others learn online. Platforms such as tutor.com, Chegg, and VIPKid offer opportunities to teach various subjects to students around the world. Now let's talk about dropshipping. This is a popular method for starting an e-commerce business without the need to handle inventory. With dropshipping, you can set up an online store and sell products without having to worry about stocking or shipping. Websites like Shopify, Oberlo, and AliExpress make it easy to get started. Shopify, Oberlo, AliExpress. The fifth side hustle we'll explore is affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services on your website, blog, or social media platforms, you can earn a commission for each sale or referral you generate. Affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer a wide range of products to choose from. Moving along, we have graphic design. If you have a flair for creativity and an eye for design, you can offer your graphic design services online. From logos and branding to social media graphics and website design, there's a high demand for skilled graphic designers. Similar platforms like 99 Designs, Design Crowd, Canva. Let's not forget about stock trading and investing. While it requires some knowledge and understanding of the financial markets, online trading platforms like Trade, TD Ameritrade, and Robinhood make it more accessible than ever. However, it's important to approach this side hustle with caution and educate yourself before diving in. Next up, we have online surveys and market research. Companies are always looking for consumer insights, and you can get paid for sharing your opinions through online surveys. Websites such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Taluna offer opportunities to earn money and gift cards by participating in surveys and research studies. The ninth side hustle on our list is a website or app testing. Companies are constantly seeking feedback on their websites and applications. By becoming a tester, you can help them identify usability issues and improve the user experience. Websites like User Testing, Userlytics, and Try My UI offer testing opportunities for both websites and mobile apps. Last but not least, we have content creation on YouTube. If you enjoy creating videos and have a passion for a particular topic, you can start your own YouTube channel and monetize it through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. It may take time and dedication to grow your audience, but with consistency, quality content, and engagement, you can turn YouTube into a profitable online side hustle. And there you have it, 10 proven online side hustles to make money from home. Whether you choose freelance writing, virtual assistants, online tutoring, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, graphic design, stock trading, online surveys, website app testing, or YouTube content creation, remember that success comes with dedication, perseverance, and continuous learning.